For 4 decades, DJ Scheffler Nye has built a reputation for tackling the most challenging jobs. In 2016, we headed to Vandenberg Air Force Base for a project that would become a landmark in our 40-year history. The stakes were high, and the technical requirements were extremely demanding and would need all the precision and specialized expertise our team is known for. The project required the installation of 6 10-foot diameter bridge piers reaching depths of 200 feet, some of the largest shafts ever installed on the West Coast. By utilizing the Polymer slurry method, we demonstrated that a massive scale doesn't have to come at a massive cost. To ensure perfection, every shaft was verified through rigorous gamma testing. 200 feet down, and not a single anomaly was found. This level of technical precision and cost-effective engineering has defined us for 40 years. DJ Scheffler and Nye, solving the industry's deepest challenges.